Hey guys, welcome to my channel GS with Rahul. So in this lecture, I'm going to present the trick to remember world geography, and in particular, we are going to deal with the countries that lies on the equator. So we have already done with the another lecture on the trick to remember world geography series, in which I have told you regarding the countries surrounding the Caspian Sea, Black Sea, and Mediterranean Sea. So do watch those lessons for better and crystal clear understanding. So here this lesson is presented by me Rahul, and I am a BTech mechanical engineering student. You can see me here. So let's get started. So here the trick is ECB faces Kami and STG suck. And you must be knowing the fact that ECB is England Cricket Board and it faces Kami. Kami is the Hindi word which means the declination or decreasement. So it faces Kami. So English, why it faces Kami? As you all know that England is the originator of the game of cricket, and from here itself the cricket is originated and discovered. But the irony of the situation is that England itself not won any World Cup yet. So that is why it faces Kami. It faces and the popularity decreases, so it faces Kami. So you have to remember this mnemonic trick. And apart from that, and following this trick, ECB faces Kami and STG suck. So SDG suck. SDG, as you all know, that SDG are the sustainable development goal, and these goals just suck up these developing countries in the Africa. So SDG suck. So SDG suck are for African countries. Kami is the trick for Asian countries, and ECV is the trick for those South American countries. So at total there are 13 countries through which the equator and the line of equator passes. You have to remember this sort of thing, and you have to neglect this. So just try to focus on these red colored words. So E stands for Ecuador. Just try to write it in a particular sequence. So E stands for Ecuador, C stands for Colombia, B for Brazil, K for Kiribati. Kiribati is a island country in the continent of Asia itself. You must be know this fact. And M is the Maldives, I is Indonesia, S for Somalia, D for Democratic Republic of Congo, G for Gabon, S for Sao Tome Principe, U for Uganda, C for Congo, and K for Kenya. You must be clear the fact that Democratic Republic of Congo and Congo are the different countries, just like Nigeria and Niger are the different countries. And apart from that, Democratic Republic of China and the Republic of China are also the different countries. Democratic Republic of China is the country where democracy establishes, and its another name is Taiwan. So similarly, Democratic Republic of Congo and Congo are different countries. So let's move on to the trick. So the equator, the line of equator passes through here somewhere. So this is Ecuador, this is Colombia, this is Brazil, and similarly Kiribati is here, Maldives is here somewhere, and this is Indonesia, pink color sort of thing. Similarly, for SDG suck, try to remember this SDG suck. So Somalia is here, Democratic Republic of Congo is this sort of thing, this yellow sort of thing, and Gabon is this yellow sort of thing. Apart from that, SUCK, so Sao Tome and Principe is here, island country located in this water body, and Uganda is this blue color sort, this blue color, light blue color sort of thing, and another country like Congo is this red color sort of thing, and Kenya is this blue color, yellow color sort of thing in between the dark yellow color. So for the better understanding, try to focus again and again. So ECB is here itself, and K is here Kiribati, M is here somewhere, and I is here. And another countries like SDG sucks, so SDGSUCK. So you have to remember all these things and try to focus again and again so that you cannot forget this thing. So ECB, and here this 12 is Kiribati, and here this 10 is Maldives, and this number, this yellow color sort of thing is Indonesia. Similarly, other countries that I have are already reiterate you again and again. So just try to focus here again and again. Repeat the video so that you can remember these countries in less than 5 minutes. So try to remember these tricks, and if you like my lesson, if you like my work, kindly like, subscribe, and share the lesson. Thank you.